Friends, now to solve this expression we follow the Bodmas rule which dictates the order of operation. First we solve brackets, small bracket, curly bracket, square bracket. Then O stands for of multiplication or square roots, cube roots. We also can solve exponents. Then D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. According to this Bodmas sequence, we break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now, first step, we solve brackets. First, we solve the brackets and calculation inside the parentheses. So, there is a parenthesis 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now, the expression becomes 6 square divided by 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 2 power cube divided by 8 minus 4 power cube. Now, according to this step 1, according to Bodmas, operation inside the brackets take the highest priority to simplify the group terms first. Now, the second step, orders and exponent. Next, we calculate all the parts and exponents. So, first, there is a 6 square is equal to 36. Now, there is a 2 cube is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. That 4 square equals to 16. Now again the expression becomes 36 divided by 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 8 divided by 8 minus 16. According to step 2, exponents must be converted into the numerical values before we can proceed the basic arithmetics. Now step 3, division and multiplication. So these operations have the same priority. So we solve from left to right. First we divide the values 36 divided by 2 equals to 18. So now the expression becomes 18 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 8 divided by 8 minus 16. Now we multiply the digits. 18 multiplied by 4 equals to 72. Again the expression becomes 72 multiplied by 8 divided by 8 minus 16. Now again we multiply the digits. 72 multiplied by 8 equals to 576. Expression becomes 576 divided by 8 minus 16. Now we divide the values. 576 divided 72. Expression becomes 72 minus 16. Now according to this step 3, performing these in order from left to right ensures mathematical consistency and avoid the error in scaling the numbers. Now, after the step 4, subtraction, finally perform the remaining subtraction. So, after subtraction, we get 56 as a final value. This expression, the conclusion says, by strictly adhering to the Bodmas sequence, starting with grouping, resolving the parts, and then methodically processing the multiplication and division from left to right. So the expression simplifies clearly to 56 is the final answer. So I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.